Alright, this problem is going to have three parts. In the first part, they just have asked us to evaluate the function at x plus 3. That means everywhere there's an x in the original function, we're going to replace it with x plus 3. And we'll go ahead and put parentheses around x plus 3 when we plug it in. So f of x plus 3 equals x plus 3 squared minus 5x plus 3. So everywhere there was an x, there is now an x plus 3. Now, we can simplify the right side of this equation. We can go ahead and multiply the x plus 3 by itself. That's how we square it. And we can distribute the 5. So it would look like this. From foiling this, we would get x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. And then distributing the 5 minus 5x minus 15. Then combining the like terms, let's see, that would be 6x minus 5x is 1x. And the 9 minus the 15 minus 6. So I think simplified out, f of x plus 3 is going to be equal to x squared plus x minus 6. And that will be... Now, for the second problem, we are asked to evaluate f of x plus h. So everywhere there was an x in the original function, we are going to replace it with x plus h. So it will look like x plus h squared minus 5 times x plus h. And again, working on this right side, we're going to be multiplying x plus h by itself and distributing the 5 so that it will look like x squared plus xh plus xh plus h squared minus 5x minus 5h. Then what can we combine? Let's see. Well, I know an xh and an xh is like 1xh and 1xh. That's 2xh. And is that all I can combine? That's the only like terms I see. So I believe my answer for f of x plus h will simply be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 5x minus h. Now for the third part of the problem, it's a little more complicated. We are asked to calculate f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. But fortunately, f of x plus h we have just calculated. So that will be how we start with x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 5x minus 5h. That comes from our previous answer. Now minus f of x minus the original function. And the original function was x squared minus 5x. So we have to minus that. And let's do all that first, and then we'll put that all over h last. But let's go ahead and simplify out what will be the numerator here. Alright, so if we simplify this, so now we have x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 5x minus 5h minus the original function x squared minus 5x. This is our numerator. Simplifying it gives x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 5x minus 5h. I'm going to distribute that minus, so it would be minus x squared, and a minus makes a plus 5x. So this x squared minus x squared will cancel out. This minus 5x plus 5x will cancel out, leaving us with the 2xh plus h squared and the minus 5h. Okay? And that was the numerator. Now remember, we were doing f of x plus h minus f of x. This was our numerator, and on the bottom there was just an h. So now we have this, but I'm noticing every term has an h in it. So we can divide an h out of every term, and that will leave 2x plus h to the first power minus 5. So I believe, after all simplification, the answer to the third part is 2x plus h minus 5. I hope I've helped you understand the three parts to this problem.